Amazon A to Z. So here you can see the app. Yeah, like this is their business app. If you're working on at Amazon, their retail, whatever, their warehouse, it gives you access to all the tools to manage your work life at Amazon. Use the app to manage your profile information, submit time off requests, check your schedule, claim extra shifts, see the latest news and more. Download the A to Z app, log in with your Amazon login credentials, update your profile if needed with your phone number, emergency contact, verify your direct deposit information, configure your notification preferences to stay in the know. So feature highlights, time, submit time off request, schedule, compensation, news, profile resources. By using this app, you agree to the applicable Amazon conditions of use. And yeah, so that's basically the idea in here. And then you can just open it up and then you can then just select whether you deliver packages to customers or you used to work at Amazon, and then just sign in from there. So there you have it. You can also use this app to find jobs and get help. So all in one app for all of these things.